If you have no weapons, only wisdom, can you still win? Mahosadha was a young man of extraordinary wisdom. Though small in body, his mind was sharp and fearless. When enemies plotted to destroy the kingdom, many soldiers wanted war. But Mahosadha chose intelligence over violence. Through clever strategies, calm thinking and understanding human nature, he exposed lies, avoided bloodshed, and saved the kingdom without lifting a sword. Kings and ministers were amazed. Mahosadha proved that true power is not found in strength, but in wisdom and compassion. This story teaches us. A wise mind can solve problems that force and anger never can.